Okay guys, this is the flow chart for factoring. So we start here. So is there a greatest common factor, GCF? So remember that's the one where we look to see if there's something in common in all the terms. If yes, we're going to factor it out. If no, then we're going to see how many terms it has. So if it only has 2 terms, more than likely, based on what we've learned so far, it's going to be a difference of squares. So it can factor into the x plus or x minus. If not, and there's no GCF, then it has to be prime. Prime's the word we say when there's nothing that can factor out. If it has 3 terms, the leading coefficient A is equal to 1, yes, then you're going to use the X method. So if you have that leading coefficient of 1, we're going to use X method. If not, we're going to use our bubble method, and we know how to do both those now. And if it has 4 terms, we're going to do factor by grouping, and that was the latest one that we have learned. So remember to go through this flowchart as you're trying to figure out which one you need to use, and feel free to float back to some of those videos to make sure that you're doing these methods correctly.